Hello, Fisk Lions. I hope all the Lions are well and ready for the first day of remote learning, which will be Tuesday, September 8th, so please charge your devices. Deployment of student supplies, including iPads for kindergartners, for John Fisk will be Friday, August 28th from 10 to 6 and Monday, August 31st from 10 to 6. Family Advocacy Week will begin Monday, August 31st and end Friday, September 4th. Please be prepared to meet your classroom teacher via phone call or a Zoom conference. Virtual open houses for K through 1 will be Monday, for 2nd and 3rd will be Tuesday, and 4th and 5th will be a Wednesday night. This will be a great opportunity for you to meet your teachers. Also, please see the text regarding the completion of meal applications and mandatory ASQ tests for kindergartners. We look forward to seeing all of you soon. If you have any comments, concerns, or questions, or need to update contact information, please call the main office at 913-627-4850. And don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook at John Fisk Elementary, home of the Lions.